Hey everyone, today I will show you 2 new Orbs quest. But before we go there, there's not a single content creator that informs you about new Orbs quests and free NITRO. I mean, there are a few, but they show unsafe methods. But only 4.4% of you have subscribed to my channel, which is crazy. This month, my target is to reach 13,000 subscribers, so make it happen. We need to get this channel to new heights. Now the 2 quests are from operagx and Tacticus. Both of these do not require VPN. You can simply open the quest section and find them sitting there. But if you can't find them, it's possible that you could be living in a country where Discord is banned, or perhaps Discord just specifically didn't give your account those Orbs quests. Either way, we're starting with operagxquest. It gave us 700 Orbs. After this, we will move on to Tacticus quest. This quest needs to be done on phone. So open your phone and tablet and watch the video there. You will find the both quest links in my cute verify setup video's description. You need to just open this video and find the quest links. Even after opening the links, if you can't find the quests, then maybe you could be living in a country where Discord's banned or you didn't get the quests. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to verify channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free NITRO or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. And if you guys like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so the video gets into algorithm.